Hello and welcome. My name is Brett Wangman and I am the Director of Technology with IARP. And I'd like to take the next couple minutes to give you a tour of the new IARP website. IARP website is located at rehabpro.org, just as always, but the first time you come to it, you'll see that it has a completely new design. It's brighter and hopefully it's easier for you to find the key resources located throughout it. First thing you'll see when you come to it is these rotating images, which are part of our new theme, I Am IARP, where we try to explain the different roles and different professional responsibilities that our members have. And so we've taken pictures of actual members and we tell their stories here. What you'll also notice about the new site is a greater prominence given to the different sections: case management, disability management, forensic, life care planning, and social security vocational experts. Each section now has its own website, and if I click down into it, you'll see that each section has it and that it features its own members or members within that section and their responsibilities. And then over in the right hand side here for each section, you'll see more resources for that particular section. Come back to the home page, you'll notice all the other resources that we've put right on the home page. We have all of our featured events coming through on this portlet on the left. We also have recent news, IARP news here. Some of this is public news, and others, when you click on it, you'll be prompted to log in because it's for members only. Over on the right here, you have a lot of functionality that you can use to find things on the site. The search site, just put your search term in here and search, and it'll search throughout the entire site. If you actually log into the site, it'll also bring back resources from the members only area as well. Also, you can search the member directory right from the home page now. Just enter the last name of an individual you're looking for, or just one or two of the beginning letters of their name, and then hit submit, and that will go to IARP Connect, where our new membership directory resides. We've also put together a variety of new educational resources to help you transition into using this new site. We have website tutorials like the one you're listening to now. We actually also have a IARP Connect Quick Start Guide, which will help you to use the new collaboration center of the site. We also have a portlet down here that shows you some of the recent conversations that are happening in our new collaboration center. So that gives you a feel for the home page. As I say, we have new websites for each of the sections. We also, over the next 6 months of the year, are going to be building out much more elaborate chapter websites. But if you use this map here, you can go to the existing chapter websites. We have a new, more robust About section where we'll tell you all about the organization, its leadership, its mission, milestones, bylaws. We also have a new section called I Am IARP Profiles, where we profile individual IARP members and we look at their stories as to their professional development and what role IARP played within it. Anybody can participate in this. Most of the early participants in this program came either to the Forensic Conference or the recent CMDM Conference. We have an event section which will showcase not only IARP international events but also local chapter events as well. We have a new online resources area where we have a bookstore, we have the code of ethics, we have directories, a document library, and a help section, which you're probably going to be using as you transition onto the new site. But probably the greatest set of new features and benefits are in the members only area. So let's take a moment and log in. Wherever you are on the site, you'll see a username, password, and member login box up here in the right corner. The login process has changed a little bit in the sense that instead your username is now going to be your email address, your primary email address on file with IARP. Your invitation to come visit the site is sent to that email address. For password, you've been giving a default password within email communications, and so you're going to put that initial default password up here into the password box, and then you're going to click on the member login. Now the first time that you log in, you are going to be asked to change your password. So after you hit the member login and you authenticate against the database, you're going to be given back a screen that says change your password. Now the first thing it does is it asks for your old password. So that's, you're going to put in the default password that we sent you in our email communications. And then you're going to go in here and actually type once and then twice a new password that you can remember, and then hit change. It didn't like my old password, so I must have typed in the default one wrong there. That's the fun of doing these tutorials live. But now I've been able to change my password, and then I'll say click here to continue. Now that you're logged in, you're in the account section, and within the account section you're going to find your my information. So this is basically a snapshot of the information we have within the membership database. If you'd like to edit any of that information, you simply click on the edit information. This will get you access into your record, and you'll see you can change, your name, your designations. You can take a look at what type of membership type you have, and then all of your contact information, your phone, your email address. Down at the bottom, you can tell us a little bit more about your educational degrees that you've earned, some of your licenses, and then you can pick what certifications that you hold. Now you're going to use the control button to actually select additional values, and then simply come down to the bottom of the page and hit save. Now that record is going to be saved into the database, and so now you'll have more control over the accuracy of your information. Now from the account area, where you want to go, where all the action is over here in IARP Connect. That's our new collaboration center. So you can click on it directly, or you could say view your public profile, which is going to redirect me over to the Connect area, and it's going to show me my profile as seen by the public. So I now have the ability to add a picture into my profile. It now gives me the ability to show my contact information. It'll show what collaboration areas I've signed up for, give you a little chance to write a biography. It'll show what education you have, your certifications, your licenses. You can add your job history and some interest. And from within here, you're going to be able to connect with other members. You're also going to be able to go over to the e-groups area, where we've now transitioned. All of our listservs are going to be now called e-groups, and so each section is going to have its own e-group discussion area. We're going to also have general discussion areas, and we've produced additional tutorials that will help you to understand how to log on and use these. We also have a resource area now, where these are document libraries that you can upload and share white papers or different resources with members. And then we also have the directory area, where you can come and find the different communities that you're part of. You can author a blog, or you can go to Connect Home. Marcy 501, Marcy. Once again, the enjoyment of doing this live is those type of interruptions. So if I come to Connect Home, I will now see a snapshot of the recent discussions. I'll see discussion activity for the discussion areas that I'm part of, and I'll also see those people who have posted recently blogs. So there's a lot going on here on the new site. This is just a quick orientation. We hope all of you take the chance to read the educational materials, look at the other tutorials that we've done, and really start the transition to using the new IARP website. Thank you so much.